Hey guys, it's Shinjinator. This is just a really quick random video. I don't know if my very few subscribers, I don't know if you guys are Mac users, but I have a MacBook Pro 13-inch. It's really not that old, I don't think, but I do use it fairly a lot since I'm a heavy computer user. But I've been using it for a couple of hours now. It's 9 o'clock right now. I've been using it probably since maybe a little before 7 or something like that. I really don't remember. It's a couple hours, and of course right as I start recording, you can't hear it, but just when I use it, it just makes so much noise. I don't know why. Can you hear that? It's really hard to hear. I think since I kind of stopped using it so I could take out my phone and record this, it stopped making the noise, but I'm editing this video. Quick little teaser. But yeah, so I have no idea why, but if anyone could tell me if they also have these fan issues where it's so loud, I just want to stop using the computer. Like, seriously, it's that loud, and it bothers me so much. Like, I'm afraid it's gonna break on me. So yeah, if you guys could tell me, that would be much appreciated. Thanks.